What's going on, guys? Francis Abogonye here today, and today's video is going to be the introduction to my Make Money Online series. Okay, I decided to do a series to just easily explain Make Money Online, as well as my journey and the questions I've been getting from so many people on the internet. Okay, now if you're brand new to the channel, my name is Francis Abogonye. I make entrepreneurship videos, how to make money online. I share my journey as well as my experiences with you guys right here on this channel. So I invite you to hit that red subscribe button, take that bell notification icon, that way you get notified when I put out new videos. Trust me, you don't want to be missing out on my content if you like entrepreneurship stuff. All right, so with that being said, let's hop right to the video. This series I'm creating, or this 4-episode series, right, I'm going to be explaining some things I've learned in my journey, right? And also, I'm going to be doing a giveaway at the end of this series. So if you're paying attention and if you watch my videos to the end, I'm going to be asking a question. I'm going to be putting a question in between one of the series. Okay, so if you can pay attention and check out my comment section in some of my videos in this series, okay, you're going to be finding my questions right there. Okay, and anybody that can actually answer my questions very well, okay, I'm going to be picking one winner for it, which I'm going to be giving the person a giveaway, right? A $3,000 worth of training. I keep mentioning that a while back in some of my subsequent videos that I've been doing recently. I keep talking about training, online training and all that, which I'm going to be giving the person, the winner, $3,000 worth of online marketing training, as well as one-on-one coaching with me, and that person gets to join my team. We get to work one-on-one together. Okay, so I'm going to be picking one person for that. So with that being said, I encourage you guys to pay attention and stay attentive and take some key points from this video. And if you watch this video to the end, make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. Let me know what you think about making money online on the internet in the comment section below, because the comment section is actually built is an inbuilt platform for you to air your thoughts and whatever you feel like asking, or whatever questions you want to talk about, you can actually ask them in the comment section below. So with that being said, we're going to be starting the episode 1 in the next video. So let's get started. Let's get rolling. Let's do this, guys.